Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the device identity right away. First, inspect the case. Weight, seams, logo alignment, port shapes, and button feel. Counterfeits often get these wrong. Once done, open Settings General about to get model and serial. If locked, remove the SIM tray or check the original box for a may. Next, power on the phone. Observe the Apple boot animation and the standard language and setup screens, because fakes often have incorrect or delayed sequences. Now you move into detailed verification. Enter the serial or IMEI on Apple's check coverage page to confirm the exact model, production year, and warranty. Mismatches are a red flag. Then check Settings General about for the iOS version, model number, and activation lock status. Also review battery health to spot replace cells. After that, test hardware. Record audio to test mic, make a call for speaker quality, run cameras front and back, and verify Face ID or Touch ID functions correctly. Finish by proving authenticity through restoration and official verification. Back up, then restore the phone using iTunes or Finder to factory settings. Pay attention to errors during restore that could indicate tampering. Once restored, contact Apple support with the serial number to confirm activation lock and warranty. Ask the seller for a receipt if needed. If you hit problems, like failed restore or non-working sensors, make sure to test with another cable or charger. Inspect connectors, and if unresolved, book an Apple store visit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.